Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to unlock the Easter egg chick in Grow a Garden. So this Easter egg chick is a special pet that you can get during the Easter event. And to obtain it, you will need a golden egg like this. This golden egg. The golden egg like this. Like this. And you can get this golden egg from the egg war or from the quest rewards. So make sure you grind those events and collect as many as possible. And once you have a golden egg, just simply hatch it and you will have a chance to get this Easter egg chick. And now let's talk about its ability. Every 2 minutes, the Easter egg chick will go to a random unhatched egg in your garden and raises its hatch time by 25 seconds. And here's the best part, for every additional Easter egg chick that you own, it will give a bonus 20 seconds reductions that it will making your eggs hatch even faster. So if you stack multiple chicks, you can speed up your hatching process a lot. And okay, that's it for this guide. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you!